You had stuff on you.
Hello everyone, it's Courtney Patton
And Thomas Calla.
from Pinnacle Luxury Homes Group, here to bring you our latest listing at Oakdale Estates.
You're going to love the location of this complex here, perched up on a hill in a garden oasis. The location's ideal. We're just a few steps away from 3 grocery stores, University Shopping Center, Mount Doug Park just a few minutes up the road, and we're about a 10 to 15 minute walk away from the University of Victoria.
We have a tastefully updated 2-bed, 2-bath condo with granite countertops and wood flooring. The living room is spacious with a wood-burning fireplace. You are going to love the size of the master bedroom with a walk-in closet and 3-piece ensuite.
For more information about this condo, check out our website at pinnacleluxuryhomes.com or 115-3962 cedarhillrd.com.
Good? Yeah.
Yeah? Good?
I think it was good.
Think it's good? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good?
High five! Oh my god!
You're like looking at me like
what do you think I'm doing?
You're like, hey, high five. It's more like, hey, high five.
Oh.
You're
I
just
went like this.
I thought you were like, hey.
I went straight from the hip.
I thought you were trying to do like a robot on me or something.